Menteri Ketenar Pulih Putih Rakkam A Sangma ula pyndep baka jingte ya kumba arspa tali ki building thamai jong ki school LP lala ban pyndep bat sa kumba palat shispa ki weipat on la ban pyndep hapo jong news nemang tingka. Habakren syakilat pathai kubor hakan nyaw tarik nailar Sangma ula ong baka sorkar kadon ya ke jingkut jingmut ke baskem bat kala dep penkre elpa ya ke mang tingka ban shnai ki iingskul bathymmai bat kumju ru ban penthamai bat maramot ki iingskul ki balajat bat julor hapo kini ki arsnem ki banwan. Ula pentip ru baki dan palat hajar teli ki school lower primary jong ke sorkar bat la penbentai ki kat kum ke jingdon kam ke jongki. Nalor kata uniu menteri ula ong hakini kisan snem baladem ngilayo iya shibun ki jingkiu bat hadu palat arspa teli ki iingskul bathymmai ladep bantai bat hapo uniu snem mang tingka yin sadon shushu sa palat shispa teli ki iingskul bathymmai. Habakeli Sangma ula ong hakini kisan post nem baladep ka benta ka bayade bat ke jingtai ki iingskul la shim bakam de setia kamat ke bakongsan. Henry detat hadu ke jingwan jong kani ke sorkar ba menteri rangba ke jala ukon rat ke Sangma hakini kisan rius nem baladem ula penteri kam ya commission mode hapo ke jinghi kai mission ha ke ba kini ki jingtai baro kilami menta.
If you talk about the government LP school, government is already committed, already earmarked the budget to build a new building as well as repairing and renovation as per the requirement. So we will complete in next 2 years. All the 2000s plus government LP school will be having the new or completely renovated or repairing in next 2 years. I think we have also exercised in the last 5 years. We have seen lots of progress, and about 200 plus has already been completed, and the ongoing is 117. And this financial year we'll be having some more 100 plus new building will become off. We have already completed more than 200, and the 107 is going on right now, and maybe in next 1 or 2 years we will complete the entire school building of the government LP school in the state. This year also we will be constructing a new about 100 plus new school building across the state, and this will continue next years to come. So it is we are taking a report from the department, from the SDSU, DSUs, from the ground level, from our officers. They will give on priority which school to be taken up at the earliest. So we are already communicated to them to give the proposal on priority, because so that the state can take it up at the earliest. Yeah. Yesterday on the 6th of August we had the fourth state higher education council meeting yesterday. So we have been presentation. We have seen the presentation of all the project that has been taken up, and I'm extremely happy to see the progress and the improvement in the especially in the structure of our education sector, especially in under PM USA scheme and RUSA, the NEC, the donor, the state projects, and many more. So we have seen lots of improvement in the last 5 years under the dynamic, able committed leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad Sharma. We have seen lots of progress in the last 5 years, and that is, I'm extremely happy to see the progress in the infrastructure sector, especially in the education department, like to all the colleges, the higher secondary, right? We have seen lots of new buildings, be it the engineering college, be it the polytechnics, be it the higher colleges and all, right? And the state university and all, right? Yeah, total about more or less 2000 government LP schools. Out of which maybe some, because we have categories of A, B, C. Category A maybe around 400 to 500 schools, which will need a new complete building. B category will be having some minimum repairing or renovation. C category will be lesser, with a lesser amount. So we have categorized with A, B, C, D. So with a D also categorized with needs a minimum touch, right? So with all the infrastructure like furniture and all. So this is correct, because in last 50 years, so the infrastructure of the school buildings what was not taken on priority basis. It is only after coming in this government, last 5 6 years, Honorable Chief Minister taken on a mission mode, like on mission education, right? On the mission education, all this building has been come off now. So what he said is also true, and what has been said, what has been done by the government is also not completed. We are only the 60 to, we have reached up to the 60 to 70%. We are another 30 to 40% long way to reach. Yeah, this is the rating as of now.